Let's go see if Santa came. Let's go look by the tree.
The milk and cookies are gone.
Are the milk and cookies gone? Let's go see. Let's go look by the Christmas tree, see if Santa came to see you. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go see. You gonna take the vacuum? Let's go look by the Christmas tree and see if Santa came. Follow Daddy. We'll get him. Let's go look by the Christmas tree and see if Santa came.
Come on. You want me to go get McQueen?
You want McQueen to come too? Okay. Daddy will get McQueen.
You want me to get the puppy too?
And the puppy? Okay, they're all coming.
Yeah.
Let's go see. Let's go see if Santa came to see you. Did you get a kitchen? Did Santa bring you a kitchen? What is it? What did you get? What did you get, Cade?
Oh, kitchen.
You got a kitchen?
Yes, trash can.
Yeah.
Look, I think there's some stuff in here. I think that's your food.
Hello? Hooray! It's time to play. Put an object, if you can, on the cutting board or in the pan. Flour. Yummy flour.
Are you already cooking?
White milk.
No.
Milk. Oh, you're pouring some milk in the pan. What are you making? You got flour and milk. Are you making gravy?
Frosting.
Okay.
Frosting. That's right.
Macaroni.
Oh. Sorry?
Macaroni. That's right.
Oh.
That's a plate.
Wait. Oh.
You want to put the macaroni on a plate?
Delicious macaroni. White milk.
Let's go to
Cupcake.
cupcake.
That's right.
Cupcakes are made of grains.
Ooh, I see the cupcake.
Thank you. Look, we put icing on the cupcake.
You washing your hands? It's a good thing to do. Wash, wash, wash. That's right, we rub them together. Good job.
Glass and drink.
You pour the milk in the cup? Yeah.
Milk.
Milk comes from cows.
You're so smart. Good job.
Cheese. Scrumptious milk. Pineapple pizza.
What did you find?
Car.
Is that a carrot?
It's a carrot, see?
Please remove the food from the cutting board. Round peas. Well, hello there. It's hello. Carrot. Yummy. Flour.
Is there anything in the refrigerator?
Pepperoni pizza.
Look in here.
Oh.
See, look. Look at this, buddy.
Trying. Pepperoni
See it,
pizza.
the oven
Pepperoni pizza.
and the fridge.
Pepperoni pizza.